Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Joshi. I am an assistant professor in Sri Laghubai Trivedi Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today I will give you the brief introduction about the syllabus of interconnected power system. So basically this syllabus will cover the 6th chapter which gives you the entire idea of interconnected power system. So that first chapter will cover the introductory part of interconnected power system. So in this particular we will learn the basic concept of interconnection. That means why we have to interconnect the entire electrical power system. What are the advantages of interconnection? How we will interconnect the entire system. Clear? And next is the grid arrangement. How entire grid will be connected. That means in all over the India we are having the various types of grid. Clear? Northern grid, southern grid, eastern grid, western grid and northeast grid. So what are the arrangement of grids? Clear? Next we will learn about the cascade tripping. That means how tripping will occur, and if tripping will occur, then what are the effect of that tripping onto the grid. That is known as the cascade tripping. Next we will learn about the islanding concept, load dispatch center and power generation scenario in Gujarat and India. That is the first chapter of introduction. Next we will learn about the power system matrices. That means if we want to analyze the electrical power system, we have to learn the power system matrices. That is nothing but the graph theory, primitive network, Y bus formation and Z bus formation. So in this particular chapter we will learn about the 4 types of matrices based on the graph theory, based on the primitive network, based on the Y bus formation and Z bus formation. Next we will learn about the load flow studies. In previous semester we will learn about the fault analysis. Means that analysis comes under the situation when system is under the fault. But to analyze the system when system is in healthy condition. So to analyze the healthy condition of the system we will use the load flow study. Load flow study means that particular healthy condition, what is the value of voltage, what is the value of current, what is the value of power factor, what is the value of frequency. That means all the healthy parameter we can analyze that healthy parameter by using the load flow study. There are various methods to analyze the load flow study like Gauss-Seidel method, Newton-Raphson method, it is known as NR method. Next is FDLF method, that is the fast decoupled load flow method, and we will compare all the different types of method and we will find which one is the best, and we will solve some of the numerical based on that methods. Next is economic operation of power system. See, there is the mainly 2 types of working, or we can say that there are mainly 2 types of operation of power system. First one is the technically sound power system and second one is the economically sound power system. So if we want to find out which one is the better, so that is depends on what is the condition, what we want in our power system, economically sound or technically sound. So in some cases if the system is technically sound, then we can find out that it is more costly, and if we will consider the economic operation, then there might be some technical limitation. So in this particular chapter we will consider the economical aspect of power system. That means how we can run the particular power plant so that we can find the best economic operation of power system. That means economic means both side, power plant side economic operation and load side, consumer side also the economic operation we will analyze. So there are also various methods to operate the economically. So we will learn each and every method in this particular chapter. The best method is Cron's method. Clear? So we will learn that also in our chapter. Now next chapter, that is the frequency and voltage control method. So frequency and voltage, these two parameters are sensitive parameter in our interconnected power system. So we have to learn that how can we control the frequency and how can we control the voltage. So in this particular chapter we will learn about the speed governing mechanism. That means it will control the frequency as well as voltage. Next we will learn the mathematical modeling of power system, and based on that mathematical modeling we will learn the controlling mechanism for voltage and frequency. So there are various methods to control the frequency, that is the selective frequency control and flat frequency control. Next is tie line bias control. So that is the used to control the frequency in interconnected power system. And last we will learn about the various methods to control the voltage, and we will solve numerical based on that methods. And last chapter, that is the stability. So in short we can say that stability is the ability of the system to remain unstable during normal, or we can say that small or large fault. So we will analyze the stability of the system. That means what is the stability of interconnected power system, how can we restore the system during nominal faults. So there are also various methods to control the stability. So in that particular we will learn about the swing equation. This equation will give the idea about the stability. Also we will learn the various types of stability, that means stable system, unstable system, marginally stable system, conditionally stable system. So based on that we will analyze the steady state stability. In this particular chapter we will also learn about the steady state stability and transient stability. We will analyze the both steady state stability and transient stability in deep. We will also learn some of the method to analyze the transient stability and steady state stability. We will also learn about the equal area criteria. Equal area criteria means what is the particular region of power system in which system will remain stable, and out of that region system will remain unstable. We will also learn some of the numerical based on that.